What separates the top 1% of software engineers from the rest? Is it genius IQ, endless caffeine, or some secret framework? Today, I'm going to share the simplest mindset shift that'll rocket you into that elite circle, starting right now. You might think simple means naive or lacking depth, but in software engineering, simplicity is your secret superpower. It's not about dumbing down, it's about clarity, elegance, and speed. By thinking simple, you reduce complexity in every phase of development, deliver value faster, and build a foundation that scales when you're ready. First, start simple in gathering requirements. Instead of dozens of vague user stories, focus on the minimum viable feature set. Ask 3 questions. What problem are we solving? Who is it for? What's the simplest solution that delivers value? By narrowing scope to only what truly matters, you reduce confusion, curb scope creep, and accelerate delivery, all while ensuring you're building exactly what users need. Next, embrace simple architecture and design. Don't start with microservices and distributed clusters for your first version. Begin with a modular monolith. Organize your codebase into clear layers, UI, business logic, data, and define interfaces with minimal methods. Refactor mercilessly. If a class has more than 5 methods, split it into smaller, focused components. A simpler architecture means easier onboarding for teammates, fewer bugs in production, and a solid foundation you can scale when demand grows. When it comes to data structures and algorithms, you don't need to memorize every advanced technique. Master the basics: arrays, hash tables, simple sorting, and, more importantly, know when to use them. Often, a well-placed hash map outperforms any fancy tree or graph solution. Simple data structures yield faster performance, easier maintenance, and quicker bug fixes, saving you hours of debugging time. Automated testing is non-negotiable, but don't over-engineer your test suite. Start with 3 tiers: unit tests for pure functions, integration tests for service interactions, and smoke tests for end-to-end flows. Write tests as you code, not afterward. This keeps your codebase clean, catches regressions early, and gives you the confidence to refactor without fear. Remember, software is a team sport. Keep collaboration simple. Write clear pull request titles. Add user profile endpoint versus misc fixes. Use diagrams over paragraphs when explaining complex flows, and limit meetings. If you can solve a problem in Slack or a 10-minute huddle, do it. Simple, direct communication avoids misunderstandings, fosters alignment, and keeps the team moving forward. Finally, adopt a simple, iterative mindset for continuous improvement. Focus deeply on one topic at a time instead of hopping between a dozen tutorials. Build a tiny project to apply each new concept and teach what you learn, through blogging, presentations, or mentoring. This focused, hands-on approach compounds over months, propelling you toward that top 1%. Complexity is the enemy of execution. By thinking simple at every step, planning, design, coding, testing, collaboration, and learning, you'll stand out, deliver faster, and truly join the 1%. If you're ready to simplify your path to success, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which simple shift you'll apply today. See you next time. You next.